Friends, in this video we're going to know that how much it will cost for the gypsum false ceiling for the year 2025 and what are the advantages of a gypsum false ceiling and points to remember before installing the false ceiling designs. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's continue to the topic. A gypsum false ceiling provides a clean, smooth and a modern look that enhances the appearance of any room. Even the gypsum has a good sound absorbing qualities, helping to reduce the noise levels and improves the acoustic in a room. Gypsum is a naturally fire resistant, so it makes a safer option for ceiling, and it helps in maintaining the temperature of a room by providing the thermal insulation. Gypsum false ceiling are lightweight, it is easy to install and can be customized to suit various designs and sizes. So friends, now we will going to know that how much it will cost for installing the false ceilings of gypsum. Actually, the cost of installing a gypsum false ceiling in India varies based on factors such as design's complexity, the material quality and the locations. Actually, the general prices ranges from 80 rupees to 150 rupees per square feet, but this type of designs like you in this video will cost almost 120 rupees per square feet. The price includes the labor cost plus materials, everything it is included with this rate. So let me take some example, like our room ceiling size is 10 by 10, that means the ceiling area is 100 square feet, and we will consider the price of 120 rupees per square feet rate. So if we'll multiply with 100 into 120, which comes 12,000 rupees. So to install the 100 square feet ceiling, the total price of gypsum false ceiling is 12,000 rupees. Now we will know that what are the points to remember before installing the gypsum false ceiling. Like first one is the height of the room. So ensure the ceiling height allows for a false ceiling without making the room feel cramped. And also check for any structural issues like cracks, leaks or dampness that should be repaired. And the purpose of the gypsum false ceiling. So determine the purpose, whether for aesthetics, insulation or lighting integration. And one of the most important point to remember is the material quality. So always use the high quality branded gypsum boards that are resistant to sagging, fire and moisture. So now I will tell you that which are the best brand for gypsum board. First one is the Gyprock, second one is the Shera, third one is the Armstrong, fourth one is the USG Boral, another one is the Gypcore. So these are the few brands which are most trusted for gypsum boards. And always use the frame materials of high quality. For corrosion resistance materials like aluminum or galvanized steel for the framework. Another point to remember is the lighting and electrical work. So decide the type of lights like recess, scope, pendant and their placement. Ensure the wiring and provision for electrical fixtures are done before installing the false ceiling. And include the panels for easy access to electrical components for maintenance. Another point to remember is the insulation and ventilation. So if you require, install the insulation materials above the false ceiling to maintain the room temperature. Ensure the proper air circulation to prevent heat buildup or condensation issues. Another point to remember is the load bearing capacity. So ensure the framework can bear the weight of light, fans and other suspended fixtures. So provide the additional reinforcement for heavy installation like chandeliers or ceiling fans. And one of the most important point to remember is the design. So always choose a design that complements the room overall interior. Ensure the surface is finished with the appropriate paint or lamination for aesthetics and protection. Use moisture resistant gypsum boards, which is best for any seasons. And one of the most important part of this gypsum ceiling is to remember is to hire the professional installer. Hire experienced professionals to ensure a flawless installation. And for the future maintenance, plan for easy maintenance and repairs by avoiding overlay complex designs. And one more point to remember is the budget. So always consider the cost of materials, labor, and additional features like lighting. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make the beautiful gypsum false ceiling designs for your home. So then if you like this video, then please like and share this video, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.